you're going to prune back your hollies and make them a little less misshapen. When you do that, you'll have an opportunity to deal with the bittersweet. So you dig that out, try to get all the roots. The hostas are burning. I would move them over there where the grasses are. Bring the grasses over here in the sun. You're going to buy, why don't you buy like 6 bags of compost or manure, okay, at the nursery. You may even be able to get that at like a Home Depot or something. You spread it around. After you weed, though, you've got to get all these weeds out of here. Then you put the compost. Then you put the mulch. So let's say, because you want mulch over there too, let's say 10 bags of mulch. Not the dyed mulch, okay? Natural, like bark mulch, no dye. So you know it's a real wood product, like bark mulch. Anyway, then in the spring you're going to fertilize this with a soil acidifier, like a hollycomb, okay? Meanwhile, you'll have the mulch everywhere, so that'll help to suppress the weeds, so you're not running around weeding all the time, okay? Then you like, well, where should I put the grasses? Why don't you put the grasses here? 1, 2, okay, like 1, 2. Keep the peony. You can keep maybe that pasta. It's burned a little bit, but it's fine. Up to you.
Yeah.